In this short video, I will guide you through the process of registering a vehicle on our RIO platform. To do this, log into the RIO platform and click on the Fleet Administration icon. To register a vehicle in Fleet Management, click on Add New in the top left-hand corner. Then you can select the type of vehicle you want to add. In this example, we are registering a truck. In the next step, select the brand of your truck. Now you can select your data source. Once you have selected this, click on Next at the bottom right. You must now enter data about the truck such as the VIN, license plate, and country of registration of the vehicle. If you are registering a RIO box, as in the example here, you must enter the mileage as a safety check. Once you have done this, click on Next Step at the bottom right. This will take you to the overview. If you now want to assign the vehicle to a fleet, click on Fleet Groups at the top of the tab. Once you have opened the tab, click on Add Group at the top left. Now you can name your fleet and then click on Create. Then go back to the Fleet tab. Select your desired vehicle by clicking on it. Then select the tab Fleet Groups in the new field. Select the desired fleet and then click Save at the bottom right. You will then automatically return to the overview and you will see under Fleet Groups that the vehicle has been added to your selected fleet.